Hey everyone, it's great to be here today to talk about starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is a platform that has helped many people to grow their personal brand, share their message, and even build a business. However, starting a YouTube channel can be overwhelming for beginners. Today, I'll be sharing 5 tips to help you start your YouTube channel on the right foot. Tip number 1, define your niche and target audience. The first step in starting a YouTube channel is to define your niche and target audience. What do you want to create content about? Who do you want to reach with your videos? By defining your niche and target audience, you can create content that speaks directly to them and attracts the right viewers to your channel. Tip number 2, invest in good equipment. Investing in good equipment is important when starting a YouTube channel. You don't need to buy the most expensive gear, but having a good quality camera, microphone, and lighting can make a huge difference in the quality of your videos. This will help you stand out from the crowd and create a more professional look and feel for your channel. Tip number 3, create engaging content. Creating engaging content is key to building a successful YouTube channel. You want to create videos that capture your viewers' attention and keep them engaged throughout the video. This can be achieved by creating content that is informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. You can also consider collaborating with other YouTubers, inviting guests to your channel, or creating series that your viewers can follow. Tip number 4, optimize your video for SEO. Optimizing your videos for SEO, search engine optimization, is essential for getting discovered on YouTube. You can do this by using relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags. You can also include a transcript of your video to make it more accessible to viewers who may not be able to watch with sound. Additionally, promoting your video on social media platforms can help increase its visibility and reach. Tip number 5, engage with your viewers. Engaging with your viewers is crucial for building a loyal audience on YouTube. You can do this by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating videos based on your viewers' suggestions. By listening to your audience and engaging with them, you can build a community around your channel and increase your chances of success on YouTube. Conclusion: starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to share your passions and connect with others. By following these 5 tips, you can create a successful YouTube channel that engages your viewers, builds your brand, and achieves your goals. Remember to define your niche, invest in good equipment, create engaging content, optimize your videos for SEO, and engage with your viewers. Good luck on your YouTube journey.